Well, Indy's Community Violence Reduction Team is a small group with boots on the ground. They are working to stop more crime in our city. Since January 1st, members of this unit say they've interrupted 66 incidents that could have ended with people being killed.
Tonight, Fox 59's Courtney Crown shows us why domestic violence is their key focus right now.
The pandemic created an environment none of us experienced in our lifetimes. A public health crisis looms over a public safety crisis in Indianapolis.
I think that people are having a really tough time dealing with the new way of how we have to live.
The city's violence reduction team noticed a surge in particular crimes.
We've had such a uptick in domestic violence. We've really made sure that we've had a focus on that specifically.
IMPD classifies domestic violence homicides as between two intimate partners and any other person killed in the same incident. As of March 18, 2021, the city's mourned 11 domestic violence homicides. In 2020, 19 people were killed and 13 in all of 2019. The violence reduction team wants to work with more grassroots organizations and survivors to support people to get help safely.
It's been more critical than ever that we get everybody that has something to do with domestic violence involved in this work.
The violence reduction team plans to add a deputy director of violence reduction by the summer. They'll focus on further identifying those who may be at risk of becoming a victim or suspect. Director Shauna Majors hopes to add another person too.
Someone who can work with victim assistance, IMPD, or Julian Center, Coburn Place.
The violence reduction team says the pandemic prevented much of their face-to-face, hands-on efforts to meet people and families. They plan to host outdoor events this spring and summer to strengthen community relationships.
When we do these outreaches, we bring resources, but we hope that through that, we build a rapport with the community, which also can hopefully help when it comes to crime reduction.
Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.
And it is important to remember that behind all of those numbers are people's lives, children being affected, families being affected. The next in-person outreach gathering is on April 24th in the Martindale-Brightwood area. The team will bring resources to that neighborhood specifically addressing domestic violence.
Well,